Ready for a van full day of eating?
Oh, I am. I'm hungry too.
Yeah. Are you gonna eat before you work out?
No. I haven't worked out in weeks. I can't take that risk. Hey there, we're Krystal and Eric, corporate remote workers, Airbnb photographers, and now full-time van lifers. We like traveling off the beaten path and finding hidden gems along the way. If you like that too, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more. And come along with us today as we post a video every day for our first 30 days in the van.
Good morning and welcome to a full day of eating van lifestyle. Today we are in a little bit of a rush to get out of here because I have a meeting I need to take this morning for work, and then I'm going straight to physical therapy. Eric is going to work out in the gym while I'm doing physical therapy. So for me this morning, I am just going to have a quick protein bar. Honestly, I do this most days in the van because it's just very easy, and I like to load up on kind of like snacks in the morning and eat my bigger meals later on in the day. And it's no prep, so super easy to just pull out of the fridge. I don't need to get the microwave or the burner out or do anything like that. So, all right, we're starting with a protein bar.
So with the gym this morning, got a bit of a later start to eating today, but now it's time finally for some very replenishing oatmeal. It's oats with plant protein and chia seeds all mixed up and then put into our microwave here. So in order to make that, just hit the inverter to pull from our batteries, hit the pump so I can get the water to fill up and mix in with the oatmeal, and then just ran it off the battery right here. Simple.
I want a snack. I want a fig bar, but I can't reach them. Oh,
sir.
Yeah.
I believe in you.
I don't want anything to fall on me.
Colder.
Yeah.
Oh, and cannot forget to add in the peanut butter. If there's no peanut butter in the oats, I'm not gonna eat them. So juice. Dramatic spotlight for the big reveal.
Cheese.
We have these plant-based Baby Bells, which I never even liked growing up or ever in my life, but now, man, these are really good.
They're so good. Just a little midday snack, eating the snacks we have.
No preparation and only taking the energy that it uses to stay cool in the fridge.
Cheese and wax. How everyone eats cheese.
Hey, your lunch.
Thank you.
So for lunch we have sandwiches. 2 pieces of bread, mayo, pickle, plant-based meat, and plant-based cheese, and I have a little jalapeno kettle cooked chips as well. They take up no energy from the van to make, except for the 12-volt fridge that is always running off the solar anyway.
It's very easy, and if you're looking for an even lower maintenance solution, we used to do a lot of peanut butter and jelly. That's also a road trip staple and very easy, and we tend to oscillate between these sandwiches and those sandwiches. Sandwiches are always our go-to because with this we get a little bit more protein, we get a lot more fiber in the bread, so we're trying to be like health conscious as well, even though we're eating in a van. We're not just like sitting eating Oreos all night.
We try not to do that anyway. We have that road trip tip and others in our Van Life Wisdom Wednesday. I'll link to it here. We just did a video on that for a little bit more on peanut butter and jellies if that's what you're into. We're gonna work for the rest of the afternoon. I'll check back in with you with, I'm thinking some snacks are coming up, and then definitely for dinner.
We'll see you then.
Having a protein bar myself for my after lunch snack. And a fun fact, because I cracked my head so hard on my temple, spinning this chair around, grabbing the wrong handle, it come flying at me. I have a pain in my head every time I take a bite. So eating this whole day has been quite a process.
Our friends like to make fun of us because this is our real spatula. This is what we use at home. The handle broke and we never replaced it, and we never want to.
The handle broke off 3 years ago?
This is our real spatula, I'm not kidding.
We refuse to upgrade to a new spatula. This is it. This is the one for us.
And now it's van size.
It was always meant to be.
Don't send us spatulas.
Please don't send us spatulas. We're serious. We don't want a new spatula. It sounds like I'm being held hostage.
Yeah, it sounds like you really want one. Another bonus of eating vegan meat is that you really just heat it up. It doesn't require a long cook time, so we are actually using less power in that regard too than if we were cooking up like ground chicken or something.
And everyone knows that vegan meats and milks and everything, they keep a lot longer and better than animal products, and you don't have to worry
I can't with you
about expiration dates. She's always on me about these dang expiration dates. I think it's fine.
He thinks that something doesn't expire if there's no milk in it, which is so adorable.
You tell us. Do you really care about expiration dates when they're vegan especially? I want to know. Help me out here, guys. Come on. Do this for me. Alright, so dinner is served. We have plant-based chorizo, plant-based Colby Jack cheese, chopped mini bell pep, and black beans.
I'm so excited for this. It's super easy because you just make it all in one pan. So you're only washing the pan once, you're only cooking one thing on it, and you're not transporting things to bowls and whatnot. It's really easy.
Plus, it's absolutely delicious. We made it on our induction cooktop, and I was skeptical about how much energy it would take. It only cost us 1% of our battery running off of the inverter, and I didn't even run the car while we were doing it, so I'm very pleased with the energy consumption as well.
So that's it for our full day of eating van life edition. Hope you like this Wisdom Wednesday. We have a few more coming as we vlog our first 30 days of van life.
That's right, a lot more van life stuff coming. Make sure to like this video, subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.